Streptomycin. Formulations: streptomycin tablet IP, streptomycin injection IP. Brand _names: Streptomac, Ambistrinus, Chlorostrep, Enterostrop, Lycastrep, Cipstring. Pharmacological _action: it is the first aminoglycosidic antibiotic obtained from Streptomyces griseus, which was used extensively in the past, but is now practically restricted to treatment of tuberculosis. It is less potent, MICs are higher, than many other aminoglycosides. The antimicrobial spectrum of streptomycin is relatively narrow, primarily covers aerobic gram-negative bacilli. Sensitive organisms are Haemophilus ducreyi, Brucella, Yersinia pestis, Francisella tularensis, Nocardia, Callum granulomatis. Malignant tuberculosis: only few strains of Escherichia coli, Haemophilus influenzae, Vibrio cholerae, Shigella, Klebsiella, Enterococci and some gram-positive cocci are now inhibited, that too at higher concentrations. All other organisms including Pseudomonas are unaffected. Side _effects: vestibular disturbances, auditory disturbances, neurotoxicity, rashes, fever and exfoliative dermatitis. Therapeutic _uses: tuberculosis, pneumoniae, influenzae, plague, Mycobacterium avium complex, endocarditis, brucellosis, tubercular meningitis, cholecystitis and peritonitis. Erythromycin. Formulations: erythromycin tablet, erythromycin injection, erythromycin soluble powder, erythromycin estolate capsule BP, erythromycin stearate tablet BP IP. Brand _names: erythrocin, althrocin, ericin, erizert, acniderm, acnelec. Pharmacological _action: bacteriostatic at low concentrations but cidal at high concentration. Cidal action depends on the organism concerned and its rate of multiplication. Sensitive gram-positive bacteria accumulate erythromycin intercellularly by active transport, which is responsible for their high susceptibility to this antibiotic. Activity is enhanced several-fold in alkaline medium because non-ionized form of the drug is favored at higher pH. It acts by inhibiting bacterial proteins synthesis. It works with translocation principle. Side _effects: rashes, fever, GI, hearing impairment. Azithromycin. Formulations: azithromycin tablet IP, azithromycin capsule IP, azithromycin oral suspension, azithromycin dry syrup, azithromycin injection. Brand _names: Azithral, Agivoc, Azivine, Azro, Glenazy. Pharmacological _action: same as erythromycin. Dose 500 mg day. Chloramphenicol. Formulations: chloramphenicol capsule, chloramphenicol ear drops, chloramphenicol eye ointment, chloramphenicol injection, chloramphenicol palmitate suspension. Brand _names: chloromycetin, enteromycin, phenicol, O-mycin. Pharmacological _action: it inhibits bacterial proteins synthesis by interfering with the transfer of the elongating peptide chain to the newly attached aminoacetyl tRNA at the ribosome mRNA complex. It specifically attached to the 50S ribosome near the acceptor site and prevents peptide bond formation between the newly attached amino acid and nascent peptide chain without interfering with the aminoacetyl tRNA attachment to the 30S ribosome. At high doses it can inhibit mammalian mitochondrial protein synthesis as well. Bone marrow cells are easily susceptible. Side _effects: bone marrow depression, hypersensitivity, grey baby syndrome, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea.